How to remove Bitmoji on from Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. To remove your Bitmoji from Snapchat, follow these steps. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down and tap on the Bitmoji option under the My Account section. Tap on Unlink My Bitmoji at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you want to remove your Bitmoji by tapping Remove in the pop-up. This will remove your Bitmoji avatar from your Snapchat account. If you want to create a new Bitmoji or relink an existing one later, you can do so by following similar steps and selecting the option to create or link a Bitmoji. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.